Now live. Okay, awesome. Hi guys, happy Friday. How are you doing today? Getting ready for the long weekend? Let me know if you're gonna be off Monday or you're still working. I still have some calls and I have some meeting on Monday, so I'll be working. Let me know about you. Are you gonna be working this Monday, Labor Day? Let me know in the chat. So today I want to talk to you about deadlines. We have some deadlines coming up. We have first deadline is September 15. On September 15, it's the due date for your business tax return and then for estimated tax payment for 2022. So if you have done an extension for 2021 for your business, if it's an S Corp, then it is due on September 15. And for everyone else, if you already did your taxes for 2021 and you did not do an extension, it is now the time to calculate and see how much you have to pay for the third quarter to make sure you do not face any penalties or any interest when you file for 2022. So again, the deadline is September 15 to pay your estimated taxes. I have made a tutorial for you, free course for how to pay your estimated taxes. You can go ahead and see the link on the bio, click there, and you can go to the how to pay your estimated taxes, and then from there I give you a few options on how to make those payments. Make sure you watch that video, see what options make sense for you, and go ahead and use it, but make sure you calculate it as accurate as possible. If you need help calculating that and understand estimated taxes more, I've also made a course. This is a paid course, but very, less than $50. You can purchase that course, and I go over a few modules for that, telling you about everything you need to know. Who should worry about estimated taxes? When should you pay it? What's the consequences for not taking care of it? So that is about estimated taxes. If you need further help or if you need someone else to do it for you, you can connect with your tax professional, or you can also book a call with me in the bio, and I'll be happy to help you. Now, another deadline is going to be October 15. For those of you who did not file and instead you filed for extension for 2021, now it's the time for October 15. You have to file your extension. Another deadline, same October 15, you have to file for FBAR if you have a foreign bank account. And if you do not know what is FBAR, you can go ahead and see my previous videos. I spoke a lot about FBAR and what it is, and when should you worry about it, and what's the consequences not to file it. You don't have to pay anything, by the way. FBAR is not a tax thing. It's just a filing requirement. You pay no taxes on it. It just to protect you from anything comes up. You need to report it to the Treasury Department. So again, September 15, it's the deadline for your S Corp. If you have your S Corp tax filing for 2021, if you filed for extension earlier this year, and it's the payment for estimated tax return to be filed this for 2022. Well, what did I say? Not to file. You don't file anything for estimated tax return. I take that back. You have just to pay if you think you're gonna owe any taxes, you need to estimate how much you have to pay for this quarter. That's it. Next time you have to worry about this, not until January. So this is the last time this year you have to worry about estimated taxes. Again, you can click the link on the bio if you're not sure how to make the payments. so you can be ready to make your payment. October, next month, if you file an extension for your business which is not an S corp, or for your personal return, it is the time, the deadline is October 15. You have to file your tax return if you filed your extension for 2021. So these are the few coming deadline. And then for nonprofits who have a calendar year, and the way you know, like if you have a calendar year or not, look at your determination letter and see there what is your calendar year. If your calendar year, if you're not on fiscal year, if your accounting year is in calendar year, then if you filed for extension to file your taxes, your 990, then your deadline is going to be November 15. If you have a different calendar year or accounting year, then you just have to count 4 months, and then the 15th of the 5th month is your deadline. So do the math. If you have any question, book a call with me. The link in the bio will have everything for you. You can access my estimated tax tutorial that will show you like how to pay your taxes. You can book a call with me, and you can like get into a lot of links to connect with me in different ways. So again, so watch out for these deadlines. Now, are you ready? Like, it's not too early to worry about this, because you have to know your numbers in order to be able to do an accurate tax return, in order to make sure you do the as accurate estimated taxes as possible. So you have to know your number. If you have a business, then you have to be doing bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the base, is the foundation for everything. If you do not have bookkeeping, you cannot do cash flow management. If you do not have bookkeeping, you cannot take advantage of all the deduction you may qualify for. If you have no bookkeeping, you cannot do tax planning, which is important, and this is the time to do tax planning so you can save on taxes, and instead of paying your money for Uncle Sam, you can take advantage of the tax law and legally utilize your money either to grow your business or to plan for future, or whatever you are qualified for to save in taxes. So you can utilize your own money instead of paying those money for someone else. So be sure that you're doing the basics, so you can do anything else when you are due for that. Also, if you are looking to get credit, to get grants, business credits, anything that you need to get cash into your business or nonprofit, then you have to be doing your bookkeeping, because everyone's going to ask you about that. Everyone's going to ask you about your tax return to give you credit or to give you grant. So make sure you have all of that taken care of. If you have any question or if you need help with any of that, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to talk to you and to help you with your business, with your nonprofit, with your individual taxes, with your FBAR, anything of that. With these upcoming deadline, I can help you with that definitely. And let me know if you have any question. If you are here for the replay, share this with other people so they don't miss their deadlines, and also comment under this video and say hi. Let me know where are you watching from, and I'll be happy to connect with you always. And also, if you are running a nonprofit or you are thinking to start a nonprofit, make sure you register for my masterclass. Get $10,000 in 30 days for your nonprofit, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day.